quick video on just the maintenance. Normal maintenance I do. Sorry about that one. Normal maintenance I do to this toy right here. Big boy Highlifter. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a quick like maintenance video. I'm gonna do the oil change. I'm gonna do transmission fluid, diff fluid, rear diff fluid, the front one too. I have a Razor 900 front diff on this thing. It's a beast. I love it, absolutely love it. This machine is just a monster. Look at those tires, baby. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 34 naders. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. So here I am. I'm here with the oil drain plug and oil filter. As you can see, this has a cover right here, and this fits on there like so. It's over here. Sorry, this is really difficult to do. Okay, there we go. All right, so it fits on there like something like that, like whatever, you know. It bolts on with 3 little bolts, and in there goes the oil filter. And then right next to it is where the drain plug is. Gotta make sure you get that washer out and replace it. But yeah, so this is the Polaris filter that was on there. It's all dirty and whatnot. And then I have here the Polaris filter that you're supposed to use. Polaris with that part number. But the thing about this one is you need a wrench to install and uninstall. You know, a wrench that fits around this. But that shit's annoying. So, to make my life easier, I went ahead and got a K&N brand filter. I've been using these filters. I love them. It might not be a big difference at all, or maybe no difference at all. But you know what? I like the brand, so I'm gonna use it. So that's the part number for the K&N, KN198. Basically the same exact thing. Now the difference is it has a size 17 on it. And I'm legit just paying extra because I want that size 17. That size 17 is gonna make my life easier. Next oil change when I go to remove this thing. So I already oiled up the top on that. So let's go ahead and put this thing on. Come on. There we go. Look at that. How freaking easy. Okay, here we are. And I'm not gonna crank down on it or anything, but I'm just gonna tighten it enough where it'll feel. That's about right. Why is this not focusing? Alright, so I got it about right. And now just put the plate on it. Slap that on. Slap on the drain plug. And you're set. Put in the new oil. Just let it drain out. Let's get all these freaking some stuff out. Alrighty. See, it had some water. Had some it's a little bit milky. Drain plug has some metal shavings, but nothing out of the ordinary. So yeah, I'll just be cleaning that out, reinstalling it, and then to fill it up, I grab a little handy dandy ammo box toolbox here. So I'll just open that. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna put the plug one more time in here, just as it is. A few threads in, just to go ahead and flush that nastiness out. Now, one of these bottles will last you like 3 or 4 diff fluid changes. So let's take that out one more time. Let that drain. Let's see that milky. And I'll just let that drain. And I'll probably do that little flush one more time. Let's do it one more time here. Squirt it in there. It's a bit of a messy job, but just keep your oil pan and you're good. Take it out one more time. It's a little bit cleaner now, see? There we go. So I'm gonna just clean that plug and fill it up just as you saw me do it. So here we are at the front diff. Pull the fill plug out. Right there. Allen key as well, and then the bottom one, for some reason the Allen key I was using wasn't working, so I got a Torx T50, I think it is. Yep. So it worked out perfectly up here. Let's see how this one drains out. This is a Razor 900 front diff, by the way. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. That's a lot of wear right there. Damn, son. Let's see all the metal in that one. I'm about to drain the transmission fluid. Pulled the fill plug out. Went in for the drain plug. It always helps to have a longer ratchet to get in there. Obviously you can just do it with an Allen key, just gotta reach farther, but whatever. It'll just drain in there. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's find out. It's pretty black. I'm gonna take off those plastic covers, but I'm really lazy to do it all the time. I just let it drain. After that, I just hit it with some water, and you're good. The drain plug has a little bit of little shavings on it, but it's nothing too crazy. I actually changed this out a little while ago. My bike just hit 205 hours, so I just want to just do everything again. Basically flushing each and every fluid, the engine oil, the transmission fluid, both differentials. That way it's just a healthy bike, you know. And these 34s put a toll on everything, and it's not like I ride it easy either. So it's good to change these fluids out as often as you can. So yeah, I'll just let that drain for a bit and we'll be back. All right, so here we are, air filter. Loosen this screw. Plate comes off. Gotta lift up a little bit here. There you go. Plate comes off. Air filter inside. I have a K&N filter in mine. You can see there's a little dust on the cover. It's not a big deal, but inside, as long as there's no water in there. Yes, I have gotten water in it before, but that's all dry. Everything in there is dry. All you gotta look for is just make sure it's dry in there, you know? Then just get it. It fits inside of a section there, so just get it, put it, and around this I like to put some dielectric grease. So this is the dielectric grease I use. Silicone paste, waterproof dielectric grease. Just get it, put it on your finger and just run it around here, and that helps keep the water out whenever you're above this intake level. And there it is. Back together, nice and clean.